Chameleons vary greatly in size and body structure, with maximum total lengths varying from 15 mm to 68.5 centimeters. Chameleons sleep where they like to, because almost all species of chameleon need 2 types of light each day. They will sleep at odd hours to make sure they are getting their proper nutrition. Some species of chameleons are solitary animals, and it will not allow members of its species to live within its own territory. Even males and females cannot be housed together. However, chameleons are not the most social of animals and have not learned to develop a broad spectrum of emotions like cats or dogs. Chameleons do not have ear opening or outer ears, but they are not deaf. They can detect sound in the frequency range from 200 to 300 Hz. Most species, the larger ones in particular, also have a prehensible type. Chameleons' eyes are independently mobile, but in aiming at a prey item, they focus forward in coordination, affording the animal stereoscopic vision. Some chameleons eat baby mice. To keep their color bright, chameleons need to eat a diet that is primarily comprised of insects, but can be balanced with a few select fruit and vegetables. Chameleons happily live on a diet of light crickets, mealworms, roots, and other insects. Chameleons don't wrap their tongues around their prey, which means that the food they catch must somehow stick to their tongue. They produce a viscous, sticky mucus on the tip of their tongue that's 400 times thicker than human saliva. On average, a chameleon's tongue is roughly twice the length of its body. Chameleons change color by changing the space between the guanine crystals, which changes the wavelength of light reflected off the crystals, which changes the color of the skin. Some chameleon species are able to vary their skin coloration. Different chameleon species are able to vary their coloration and pattern through combinations of pink, blue, red, orange, green, black, brown, light blue, yellow, turquoise, and purple. For a long time, it was thought that chameleons change color by dispersion of pigment containing organelles within their skin. However, research conducted in 2014 on panther chameleons has shown that pigment movement only represents part of the mechanism. Male aggression toward a potential sexual rival. In the mating season, males try to attract females by bobbing their heads, inflating their throats, puffing up their bodies, and displaying their brightest colors. A female may accept or reject him. She might run away, or she might face the male and kiss at him an open mouth. Like in most animals, the female chooses who she wishes to mate with. Once properly mounted, the male inserts one of his two hemipenses into the female's cloacal opening. Mating occurs in July-September, and during October-November, females deposit 14 to 47 eggs, which remain underground for 10 months of incubation.